Hi guys, welcome back. Time to change my oil. First time doing it. It's long overdue. Got my drain pan, my first ever oil drain pan. This is the jack I'm using. Remind me to get a 3-ton jack though. I'm changing my air filter too. I'm ready guys. Got the Husky out. You know that. PENNZOIL full synthetic. That's the star of the show. And the 2-ton. I'm ready guys. Let's do it. Of course I can't do this job without my new knee pads. What old man would? Jacked the car up. Didn't think you want to sit through that. So far so good. Let's look under the car for a second, just trying to find that drain plug. There it is. A second jack stand is under the driver's side, just using this jack as a safety precaution. Since this is my first time, I won't be taking any chances. Won't do this without 2 jacks. Get this set, guys. Get this set. I know I keep harping about it, but it's a great set. Trust me, all right? Need the 3/8 ratchet. There we go. Need a socket. How about a 15? How about this one? There's the plug. Got the ratchet ready. Extension, socket. All right. Here goes nothing. Got it loose. I'm not in a rush though. It's flowing out now, if you know what I mean. You know what happened? The plug fell into the drain pan. Got a little spill right here. That's okay. Looking for the gasket to the plug. I guess the last guys never put it back on. Still dripping, but I'm not in a rush. I got all day. Good news, guys. As I was trying to put the plug back in, I found the gasket. It was stuck to the oil pan. What a relief. Screwed the plug in using my fingers, but you better get the ratchet to finish the job. Can I exercise beginner's privilege on this? I used an extension, didn't need it, and I used this 1/2-inch 15 miller, didn't need it, and the adapter, didn't need it. FYI, do not change your oil when the car is cold. Warm it up first. Should have told you that in the beginning. Okay, we're moving on. Time to change the oil filter, and I'll use my new oil filter pliers. Unfortunately, this isn't working too well. Let me try the other one. Getting somewhat frustrated. At this point, it's a combination of things, but no retreat, no surrender. Got it. You know what it really was, though? That oil filter was too tight. Let's get the oil and finish the job. My advice, get a rag and wipe off any oil that may have splattered on the pan or any other metal under your car. Fill the new oil filter with oil. Don't skip this step. Put oil on the gasket or you'll have trouble like me. Don't use any tools to tighten the oil filter. Hand tighten only. Time to add the oil. Gotta remove the cap. Before I add anything, let me clean around this opening. It's dirty and I don't want this dirt to get into the oil. Need to clean this whole engine, baby. What I'll do is take the towel and go around, then go up like this. What do you guys think about this being my first time? Not bad, right? Okay. I'm gonna stop at the 0.5 line to ensure that I'm not overfilling. Checking for leaks. Honestly, guys, I don't see any. Better now than later, if you know what I mean. In order to check the dipstick, you have to be on level ground, so I took the jack stands away. Measuring twice, cutting once, so to speak. This looks good. As you can see, my car is on, just letting it cycle through. I'm sure everything is fine. I reset the oil life. As you can see, the engine light came back on. I'll do something about it real soon. Oil pressure should be between 25 to 30 PSI. We reached that. Still checking for leaks again. Measure twice, cut once. Still letting it cycle through. I think we're good. We did a great job. I changed the air filter. Now I'm storing the oil in the container. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.